Okay, today guys, we'll be playing with magnets, but first I'm building Legos. Now, oh, here it is. Voila. Trailer. Nice. Snap. Right here. Put this. Whoops. I think it worked right there. Whoops. Oh, it's the whole thing.
Gage, you want to know who's super interested in what you're doing?
Who?
Jingles. I think she almost fell asleep.
What?
She almost fell asleep.
Okay. Wait. Here it is. Snap. Click. Rats. Oh, break. Not when a bright one snapped in. That popped off. Oh. Yeah. Beep, beep. Be careful. Put this stuff out of the way. Now, I already built this. It says long rope. Saving someone that fell down and can't get back up to the city. So they're reeling down a long rope.
What's your rope made out of?
Magnetic balls.
Oh.
They can be taken apart literally into one. Ooh, we're almost out of rope. We're nowhere near the ground. Jump. But we're almost out of rope. You might have to snap some more. Okay, we're almost to the ground. Once he gets on, we'll reel it up. It's on. Let's go. Oh, it's failing on us. Hear that sound? Ding, 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 easy!
Now what are you doing?
Oh no, I'm snapping it up. Think you're on it. Ooh, there. Oh, good thing I got it. Llama, a balloon. I got it right. Whoa.
Gage, what do you say we post this one and then we can try another video later?
Sure.
Sure? You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.